Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm going to turn all this into a checker pattern cutting board, hopefully. So, yeah, another cutting board, but this one's going to be cool. We're going to go from scraps to finished work. So, stick around, stay tuned and watch it. Thanks. See ya. Okay, so I'm going to cut this long piece down, just two of them, to 18 inches. I got a stop block from the top block, the edge of the blade, 18 inches, and I'll let you watch. Yeah, that's the first one. Let's make sure it's the right length. A little bit shy. All right, I got my thing measured out correctly. Oh, that guy's annoying. So you guys get it. We're just gonna do a bunch of rinse and repeat cutting these. So I won't let you bore you with that too much. All right, see ya. Okay, well, this is the basic pattern. So maple, cherry, maple, cherry, maple, cherry. And then we're gonna make a checker pattern. But all these maples have this lip here I gotta go cut off on the old table saw. So yeah, yeah. So I'm going to turn this. This side's got an okay side, but only so. All right. Now I need to go over the table saw and cut them to size. Okay, now I'm ready for glue up. I got my glue up rails, got my clamps, Got my glue here. I think there's plenty in there to do this first glue up. But I'll set you up on time lapse. Just watch, and yeah, it's just a glue up, first glue up, and then we'll see you in a bit.